Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are playing Subway Surfer. It's not Roblox. I'm not playing Roblox. I think I have done two vids that didn't play Roblox. Yes. So I'm playing Subway Surfer today, and okay, let's start. Okay. My high score, it's so high. I'll show you when I get out. Wait. Okay, resume. It's kind of laggy, I think. No, I think. Wait, no. God. Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, I almost died there for a sec. Spud. And what is Spud, guys? Comment down below. Tell me what is Spud. If you know. Okay, I have 3 skins unlocked. I'm trying to unlock the mask one. I'll show you. I have ninja skin and the robot skin. And everyone has the first skin, right? And that one. I just have 3 skins and I'm trying to unlock more. No. This policeman is so fat and he runs so fast. Oh my god. Okay, I thought I was gonna die there. Oh my god. Okay guys, sorry for the notification. And she's okay guys, no. I'm gonna just do that. And the notification just came. It's my sister's YouTube channel. Remember to go check it out. Check it out and like and subscribe to her channel too. Okay. There. Oh no! But at least we done. Okay. Hunt complete. We have okay, this is my high score. Can you see? This is my high score 141053. It's a lot. I took hours like to get that. It took me hours to get that. Okay. And this, yeah. Oh. Okay. This. I play better with the first skin, the black star. You know what I'm talking about? Oh, everyone has the first skin when you play. I play with that so good. It's so good. No. Oh my god, I thought I was gonna die there literally. Okay, yeah. Here, and boom. Yeah. Okay. It took me hours to get this good. I mean, I'm not that good, but I keep trying a little bit. It took me like minutes or hours to get this good, which I'm showing you right now. Okay, boom. Okay, guys, take these jump coins because they are more than these line ones. If you play Subway Surfer. missed the ink. Okay, we're gonna come here. Yeah. Okay, I just thought, what was that? The blue train. Oh my god. Oh my god. No, 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 no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh my god, no. Okay, guys, this is the last one. Okay, I don't want ads. Okay, this is the guys. This is the last I'll play. Okay, this is the last one. Okay. No, no, I want. Oh no, I wanted to go up there. What? Okay, guys. I don't know how I died. So that's it for now. Like and subscribe for more. Bye.